Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to pick random comment from any YouTube video instantly. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, first open the YouTube Random Comment Picker tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, simply paste your video link into the YouTube video URL box and click the Load Video and Comments button. The tool will immediately load your video details, displaying your thumbnail, title, views, likes, and the total count of loaded comments. Below that, under Filter and Settings, you can customize your giveaway rules. Check Filter Duplicates to ensure each user gets only one entry, or check Include Replies if you want to include comment replies. You can also type a specific phrase into the keyword filter if your giveaway required a hashtag or keyword. Next, set the total winners you want to pick. Choose an animation style like wheel spin, and set your desired countdown timer in seconds. Once everything is configured, click the Pick Winner button. The tool will pull from your valid entries and run the countdown animation. When the countdown finishes, your winner results will appear right below, showing the timestamp, comment text, likes, and direct options to visit channel or view comment on YouTube.